Hello. You are on the Lingolands channel. Today, you will discover different types of transportation. 1. Car. For example, I drive my car to work every day. 2. Bus. For example, she takes the bus to school. 3. Train. For example, we go to the city by train. 4. Bicycle. For example, he rides his bicycle in the park. 5. Motorcycle. For example, my brother has a new motorcycle. 6. Plane. For example, we flew in a plane to visit my grandparents. 7. Boat. For example, they went fishing in a boat. 8. Taxi. For example, we took a taxi to the hotel. 9. Truck. For example, the truck delivers goods to the store. 10. Scooter. For example, the children love riding their scooters. 11. Tram. For example, she takes the tram to get to work. 12. Subway. For example, we use the subway to travel across the city. 13. Helicopter. For example, the rescue team arrived in a helicopter. 14. Van. For example, the family went on a road trip in their van. 15. Ship. For example, the cruise ship sails to many countries. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the Lingolands channel. See you soon.